Welcome all in our advanced communication lab. Today's topic is measurement of propagation loss. Okay, write down the experiment name, study of measurement of propagation loss. Objective: to measure propagation or attenuation loss in optical fiber. To perform the experiment, we require two equipment, that is fiber optic strainer kit and CRO, and also we require BNC cable and connecting wires, etc. Okay, this is our working principle. Alpha is equal to 10 log 10 within bracket P input by P output. Alpha is loss in dB per meter. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of optical fiber trainer kit. Now going to the optical fiber trainer kit. This is our trainer kit. This is our trainer kit. The required equipment is this is our trainer kit and this is CRO. Okay. And we require some connecting wires, fiber optics cable and also BNC probe. Okay, next we going for the circuit. Circuit is very easy. That is, this is the input section and this is the modulator and this is the connecting links and this is the demodulator part and this is the amplifier. Okay. We get this is input section, this is the function working as a function generator and this is working as a modulator. Okay, modulator and function generator is connecting through a cable. Then the fiber optic links is linked between the input, that is modulator output and demodulator input. Okay. And this is the amplifier. We get the amplifier output from here by the help of BNC probe. In the CRO, you observe the output. Okay. And the cable is connected here. The cable, optical fiber cable is different by its length. It may be 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 6 meter, etc. Next we going for the our practical, that is measurement of propagation loss. Next we going to the procedure. This connection is that way, that is input is connected to modulator and from the demodulator we get output and the output is connected to the amplifier. This is the basic connection. And next go for the circuit other equation, that is we need to follow this equation to get the propagation loss. Okay. For measurement of propagation loss, we require different optical fiber, that is one is 1 meter and other is 6 meter. Now the 1 meter is connected. When the 1 meter is connected, our function is to measure the output at the CRO. Okay, measure the output at the CRO. This is the output. This is the V1. Okay. V1, see the measurement. There is big division is 1, 2, 3 and small division is 3 small division is going here and the value of the 1 square is 5 volt. That is the voltage is 3.6 3.6 into 5. The voltage is 3.6 into 5. Note down it. Voltage is 3.6 into 5. Okay, this is the V1. Next, we go for the V2. We go for the V2. That is, for V2, we need to replace this cable by the 2-meter cable. For V2, we need to two-meter cable. Okay. After connecting the 2-meter cable, we need the measurement of the voltage. Okay. This is our voltage by using 2-meter cable. The voltage we need to measure the V2. V2 is about 3 big division and the volt per division value is 5. That is 3 into 5. Okay. V2 is 3 into 5 and V1 is 3.6 into 5. Next, we can get to the value, that is, here V1 is 3.6 into 5 and V2 is 3 into 5 and L1 is 1 meter, L2 is 2 meter. Okay. Next, we can calculate the propagation loss. Okay, this is our practical. Okay, you easily measure the propagation loss. Okay, again we see the procedure. We just need to exchange the cable. Now 2-meter cable is connected and previously for V2 2-meter cable is connected. For V1 we connect the 1-meter cable. Okay. Thank you all.